Welcome to Vista Ride. Today, we're stepping back in time to explore one of Jamaica's most legendary landmarks. Today, we're exploring one of Jamaica's most iconic and mysterious landmarks, the legendary Rose Hall Great House in Montego Bay. Perched majestically on a hill overlooking the turquoise Caribbean waters, this 18th-century Georgian mansion is not just a feast for the eyes but a treasure trove of history and legend. Built in the 1770s, Rose Hall is famous for its elegant architecture, grand verandas, high ceilings, and beautifully preserved interiors. But what truly makes it unforgettable is the tale of Annie Palmer, the infamous White Witch of Rose Hall, whose legend of love, betrayal, and mystery still captivates visitors today. Whether you're here for the stunning views, the rich history, or a touch of spine-tingling mystery, Rose Hall Great House promises an unforgettable journey through Jamaica's past. Come with us as we step inside this remarkable mansion and uncover its secrets, stories, and breathtaking beauty. Brimmer Hall in St. Mary Parish is one of Jamaica's most historic great houses, built in the 18th century during the height of the island's plantation era. Surrounded by lush tropical landscapes and gentle hills, this elegant estate once stood at the heart of a vast sugar plantation. The architecture of Brimmer Hall reflects classic Georgian design, with wide verandas, tall columns, and high ceilings that capture Jamaica's cool breezes. Inside, handcrafted wooden furniture and polished floors showcase the craftsmanship of a bygone era. Beyond its beauty, Brimmer Hall tells a deeper story of Jamaica's history, from the days of sugar trade to the vibrant culture that thrives today. Peaceful, grand, and full of character, it remains a stunning reminder of Jamaica's colonial past and enduring charm. Devon House, located in the heart of Kingston, is one of Jamaica's most beloved national treasures, a stunning example of 19th-century Caribbean Georgian architecture and a proud symbol of Black achievement and heritage. Built in 1881 by George Steeble, Jamaica's first black millionaire, Devon House represents elegance, ambition, and success. The mansion's grand facade, high arched windows, and intricate wooden interiors capture the charm of a bygone era, while its lush gardens and courtyards offer a peaceful escape from Kingston's busy streets. Inside, each room is beautifully restored, featuring antique furniture, chandeliers, and ornate detailing that reflect the luxury and craftsmanship of the late 1800s. Walking through Devon House feels like stepping back in time. Every corner tells a story of vision, pride, and cultural strength. Today, it's more than just a historic home. Devon House has become a lively cultural landmark, home to restaurants, boutiques, art galleries, and the world-famous Devon House ice cream. Locals and tourists gather here to enjoy history, food, and Jamaica's warm spirit in one beautiful setting. Elegant, inspiring, and timeless, Devon House continues to stand as a proud reminder of Jamaica's rich heritage and the legacy of those who dared to dream big. Halse Hall, located in Clarendon, is one of Jamaica's oldest and most historic great houses, a grand symbol of the island's colonial past. Originally built in the late 1600s on the site of an old Spanish estate called Hato de Buena Vista, it became one of the first English stone mansions after the British took control of Jamaica. The two-story Georgian-style structure stands proudly with thick stone walls, arched windows, and a commanding view of the surrounding countryside. Over the centuries, Halse Hall has been home to planters, governors, and estate owners, each leaving a mark on its legacy. Inside, visitors can still feel the echoes of history, from its wooden staircases and antique furnishings to the cool limestone halls that have stood for more than 300 years. Today, Halse Hall remains a quiet yet powerful reminder of Jamaica's early architecture, its colonial journey, and the enduring beauty that time could not erase. Nestled along the sparkling shores of Oricabessa Bay lies one of Jamaica's most iconic and inspiring estates, Goldeneye. This breathtaking property was once the private home of British author Ian Fleming, the creator of the legendary James Bond series. Built in the 1940s, the Goldeneye estate perfectly blends tropical beauty with timeless elegance. The villa is surrounded by lush gardens, golden sands, and turquoise waters, a peaceful retreat where Fleming wrote all 14 of his Bond novels, including Casino Royale and Dr. No. The house itself reflects understated Caribbean charm, open-air design, handcrafted wooden furniture, and panoramic ocean views that capture the very essence of island living. Every corner feels alive with creativity and history. Today, GoldenEye has transformed into a world-class luxury resort, welcoming guests from around the world who want to experience the same magic that inspired 007. Whether it's the private lagoon cottages, beach villas, or the original Fleming villa, GoldenEye offers a rare blend of heritage, beauty, and cinematic legend. High in the scenic hills of St. Andrew, overlooking Kingston, stands one of Jamaica's most talked-about celebrity homes, the mansion of dancehall superstar Elephant Man. Known for his energetic performances and bold personality, his home is just as vibrant as his music career. This massive multi-level mansion features around 10 bedrooms, 10 bathrooms, a private gym, an outdoor bar, a jacuzzi, and a stunning swimming pool with panoramic views of the city below. Every detail reflects luxury and creativity, bright colors, grand staircases, and stylish interiors that showcase Elephant Man's larger-than-life persona. More than just a house, it's a symbol of success and Jamaican pride, a place where music, culture, and modern design come together in perfect harmony. From the hills of Kingston, Elephant Man's mansion shines as one of the most iconic celebrity homes in Jamaica. Located along Jamaica's stunning north coast in Hanover, the Trial Club Villas represent the height of Caribbean luxury, a private paradise where elegance, exclusivity, and natural beauty meet. Spread across 2,200 acres of tropical landscape, the Trial Club is one of Jamaica's most prestigious residential resorts, home to some of the island's most breathtaking villas. Each villa at Trial is unique, blending classic Caribbean architecture with modern luxury. Imagine open-air living spaces, infinity pools overlooking the ocean, and lush gardens that flow seamlessly into the coastline. From traditional colonial-style homes to contemporary beachfront estates, every property captures the relaxed yet refined spirit of Jamaica. The community itself is world-class, featuring a championship golf course, private beach, tennis courts, fine dining, and 5-star service. It's a favorite getaway for celebrities, global travelers, and anyone seeking peace, privacy, and unmatched comfort. What makes Trial truly special is its balance of tranquility and sophistication. Whether you're waking up to ocean views, enjoying sunset cocktails, or exploring the surrounding beauty of Montego Bay and Hanover, the Trial Club Villas offer an experience unlike any other, where luxury feels natural, and every moment feels unforgettable.